I do wish that every day you could just fire up the sawmill, start sawing lumber, but there are just so many things that you don't think about that you have to do before you can sawmill. And this is one of them. Somebody's got to get rid of these slabs somehow. You got to burn them in a big pile. You got to burn them in a little pile. You got to sell them. You got to truck them out. You got to grind them for pulp. I don't have any way to grind them for pulp. I don't have anybody who wants to buy them by the semi-load. So I'm just trying to help you out and let you know that it's not all fun and milling. It's not all sawmill, sawmill, sawmill. No, I did not just use that chainsaw can of gas to start the fire. I used little wet leaves and limbs and twigs, and I rubbed them together really fast after I took off my shoes and made a string out of my laces and all that shit. Somebody ought to stack this stuff for me. And I don't think it's going to be Bell. You gonna stack this stuff? Nope, you just want Pat. I don't think so. Nobody. I'll get a sawmill. It'll be fun. It is fun. It's a blast. Get one. I highly recommend it. Just be aware that it's not all that. Not all of it's sawing. Oh, look at this. Whatever, you know, beautiful. Look at this beautiful walnut that I just sold out. How beautiful that is. Nobody wants to pay you $500 for a walnut slab, and nobody wants to pay you $5 for a 2x4 8 foot long. But nobody wants to come out and pick up all these pine slabs either. So that's why you're paying me $5 for a 2x4. And that's why you can't just saw lumber. This stuff would stack up to no end. I don't know. I don't know what I do with it. So all I'm saying is be prepared for all that extra work that you don't think about. Somebody's got to cut the stickers. If you don't have the money to pour a bunch of concrete slabs to stack your lumber on, if you don't have enough money to buy concrete blocks to stack your lumber on, then you gotta cut your hedge or cut you something to stack your lumber on. if you can't afford to go out and buy stickers, they sell stickers. I don't know how much they are. I hope I never have to buy any. I hope I never get big enough that I am buying stickers. And all I do is cut lumber. But just be prepared to do all the little things that has to be done at the sawmill. Just be aware. It's not all sawing beautiful walnut logs or beautiful oak logs. Somebody's got to haul them in, and somebody's got to cut up the slabs, and somebody's got to make stickers, and somebody's got to make a foundation to dry them on. And now I've got to build a kiln to kiln dry them. Somebody's got to build a cover over the... It's not all sawmilling. So don't take me wrong. No way am I complaining that I have a sawmill. Holy shit. I have a sawmill. It's great. It's not all. Figure a way to get rid of these things. If you're cutting pine, you're going to have pine slabs. I need a bigger burn pit. I need somebody to buy them. You need a way to get rid of these things. My wet wood, I started by hand, rubbing 2 sticks together. A little bit of dried grass that was all wet from last night's rain. Started right up. So, I probably should just shut up today because I'm not really doing real good talking. But I just said that, ouch, I need to build a bigger fire pit, or I need to find a way to get rid of these pine slabs. And that's not really true either. This is what I want to do with my pine slabs. I'm doing exactly what I want to do with my pine slabs. I'm cutting them up exactly like this. And I'm making my own personal campfire wood for my own personal campfire. Sitting around the campfire at night, drinking whatever you're drinking. Some kind of alcohol, hopefully. Roasting a marshmallow and telling stories, whether they be ghost stories or fishing stories or gabbing stories. You're going to be telling some kind of story. I know that. It's a campfire. But that's exactly what I want to do with my wood, is I want to put it right on there. And I want to set right around here. And I want to share some stories with families and friends. That's what I want to do with my firewood, with my slab wood. If I don't do that, if I don't cut this up, put it over there for firewood, put it in a big pile and I burn it, nobody wants to sit around a big blazing pile of slabs shooting the shit. Because you can't get close enough to hear each other, because you're on one side of a slab fire to the other. It's quite a ways. So, what I'm trying to say to you is, you have to figure out what you want to do with your slabs. This is just one idea of what I do with my slabs. Go build you a big pot, build you a big old burn pit, dump them all in there, light them on fire. I don't care what you do with them. Sell them by the semi-load. John's pulpwood or whatever. Whatever you want to do with them, you do it. Just be prepared when you get your sawmill, if you ever get one, when you get one, that you got to do something with the slab wood. Got to do something. You've got to build your lumber piles, base for your lumber piles. You've got to figure out something that you're going to do. This is just what I'm doing, and I'm enjoying it. like and subscribe. I'll put a little thing into the video maybe if I can figure it out. So you can hit the subscribe button. And maybe I'll get some more subscribers and we'll do this again. Maybe we won't. I don't know. Who knows? Now we're ready to start the sawmill. Cut up all the slabs. Got a little oak firewood over there. We cut up that log real quick. We burnt some slabs. Nope, we still can't start the sawmill because somebody didn't sharpen the blades. And somebody needs to sharpen the chain on this chainsaw. Then we can start the sawmill. Nope, it won't be till tomorrow. Yeah. Call it a day. See you tomorrow. Lots of other stuff to do besides sawmilling. It's not all fun and walnut slab.